In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a BandLab account. Now to do this, first you want to go to their official website, bandlab.com, and then you want to go to the top right and click on sign up. And then from here, you want to go and create your account using your name, email, password, and birthday, or of course you could also continue with Google or Apple. So if you want to continue with Google or Apple, just click on either of these and you'll be able to go and pick your email address from the list and of course use that to actually sign up. But for me, I'm actually going to go and create an account from scratch just to show you how to do this. I'm going to actually name this Insta How, like this. The email here is going to be instant how to. I'm going to use my Outlook for this, so instantHowTo@outlook.com, because I have that on my computer as well. And then you can select the password which you want to use. It's going to recommend one, but I'm actually just going to go ahead and use a random password which I'm going to make up myself right now. And then you have to select your birthday, so just go ahead and type in your birthday over here, and then once you've done this, you can hit the sign up button. Now once you do this, as you can see, it's going to start creating your account. It's going to start loading you in, and there we go. When it loads you in, you'll see that your account has actually been successfully created already, okay? So it's going to ask you to set up your profile and username. I'm actually going to name myself Insta How, like this, and then I'm going to click on continue. It's going to ask you what musical journey you are on, so I'm actually going to click on artist. I'm going to click continue. Then you have to basically tell them more about you, so you have to basically select some of these over here. I'm actually going to click on keyboardist, and then for example vocalist, and then continue. Next you have to pick your favorite genres. For me it's going to be hip-hop, and it's going to be rock over here, and I'm actually going to do a bit of, let's just do some I don't know, maybe some punk as well, and click on continue. And there we go. You can select the artist who aspire you. So it says up to 10 artists can make the list. I'm actually going to go and just use Eminem for this example, but of course you could do multiple. Click on continue again. You can then go and follow some people and then press continue. And then from here, as you can see, you can secure your account. So you have to confirm the email by sending it to your email over here. So I'm just going to basically go and do this. It's going to say open the link in email to continue. So you actually have to open your email. For me, I just opened up, there we go. As you can see, I have an email from BandLab. It says please confirm. Click on that, click confirm now from here, and it's going to confirm your email. And then from here, you'll see you get the access to your account. You have to confirm the email, take that you are not a robot. You may also have to complete this reCAPTCHA over here. And there we go. It says your email is confirmed. You'll be redirected to BandLab. And when you do this, as you can see, there we go. I now got access to my newly created BandLab account, and I can start creating. For more tutorials, there's a full playlist on my channel linked at the end of this video, where you can find pretty much anything you want about BandLab. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.